Hello, welcome with me and let's now create first child agent called requirements extraction agent. The task for this child agent is to read the requirements of the RFP, quote, annexes, appendices, attachments, and just like extract it and give it to the main agent. I have already created the agent here, and importantly, I have the icon here, name and description. Then let's go for the instructions. I have formatted the instructions already. I did it by hand and then I expanded and clarified it with M36 Copilot. So we are telling that you are this agent and your task is to find the correct quote from the knowledge source, then extract the requirements and questions, build a matrix, classify criticality, and return the structured output. And there are also some extraction rules. Let's save this agent. And as we saw earlier, I switched to the main agent side. It has the knowledge source for quotes, but we don't need this anymore in the main agent, so I can delete them from here. And now I will go back to the child agent side and I will add the similar knowledge source here. So the structure works so that the main agent takes the RFP and saves it to the correct SharePoint folder. And this child agent is reading the SharePoint folder. And then I want to ensure that there are correct description for the quotes. Yes. So now this agent, child agent, has everything I need. I will publish it. And then it's time to introduce this new agent to the main agent. I will switch on that side. Let's start introducing the agent. It needs to be published, so I will add an agent and we'll find it. Let's search. Oh, it doesn't recognize it. Maybe I need to refresh. Sometimes you need to refresh. I think it might be some kind of browser cache issue. Yes, now we can add it. So let's add to the agent. And we are quite happy about the description. That it's its job. So we don't need to do anything about the description here, but about the main instructions we need to fine-tune a bit. So we have this kind of instructions telling what it's doing. Okay, so this is your job, what you are doing. Don't do everything by yourself. So let's tune this a bit. Then use the knowledge source for creating proposals. Of course, later on, the other child agents will do the proposals, but since we want to have this working all the time, so I will let now the main agent to create the proposals. So then I have a bit introduction about the sub agents. So what happens when a quote is uploaded? Then we want to delegate it to this child agent and provide keywords because it's in the library. We want it to find the correct quote and attachments. And don't do proposal before the extraction is complete, and then when it's extracted, ask if the user wants to see the matrix. And also creation rule, because this agent can take also proposal documents, so if it's not a proposal, then create the proposal. I'm happy with this. Let's save, and then I shall publish it, and I want to test it in Teams side. So let's check the channels. I think I haven't even added the Teams channel at all. Yes, let's add this channel there. Let's edit the details. So let's have a short description. Always put these things into place correctly, because if you don't do this, you always forgot it, and then it's out there. Let's change the color, and of course I want to have the icon set up as well. Now I'm ready to add it. I tried already a couple of times, so it takes some time. I republish it once again after adding the Teams channel. To see Teams, use the web app, and I can see it. I will add it here, and let's go discussing with it. So let's try it out. I'd like to process RFP. Now it should go to the topic, yes. And let's give it the file. I have this anonymized RFP Finland public sector. It's quite long. Let's see, does it crash there? I have much longer. That definitely will crash, but I think this is not so long. Now it's doing something with it. Okay, we need to give the permission there. I was testing this also in the Copilot Studio side, but it didn't show anything. Like I want to see if the child agent gives some kind of matrix code or stuff. Just said that it was using it, so I think we have much more ground here to cover to see and discuss with this agent. Now it replied me, but please tell me I want to know, did you understand me, or did you understand it? Tell me the requirements, then maybe I can see the matrix. It's awfully slow at the moment. Now let's stop completely. Oh, nice one. Okay. Renewal of ERP system. Yes. Okay. Let's ask about the matrix. And of course, we don't have any good proposals there already. When I asking it to create the proposal, it's just something. But we will build the agent. But at least I think it has read this completely true. Yes, now there was lots of documentation. So yes, I'm quite happy. I will accept this, that it really can extract the requirements. So create the proposal. I'm not happy about it. It should offer me this out of the box. And when I was first time doing this testing, it will work, but I think it has something to do with because the environment is so slow. Well, once it gets warmed up, I think it starts working faster. I think I need to restart the agent and do this again. But I will save you about this because at least the technology works as it should be. So let's see about the proposal, and then I'm out. Yes. So looks nice. Looks nice. Bit by bit. Let's continue from here. Thank you. Over and out.